Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to email attendees on Eventbrite. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to email attendees on Eventbrite web app. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to www.eventbrite.com. If prompted, click Login and enter your account credentials to access your Eventbrite dashboard. Once logged in, click on the Manage My Events option in the drop-down menu under your profile icon. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Manage My Events. This will take you to a new window displaying a list of your created events. In case you want to find the events, you don't find it here, click on Events right here in the left navigation panel. Now, find and click on the events from this list for which you want to email attendees. This will open the event details page after clicking on the event. On the event details page, look for the Manage Attendees option in the left-hand navigation menu. Click on this option to view a list of all attendees registered for your event. In the Manage Attendees section, you can see all your attendees listed. You can select individual attendees by checking the box next to their names, or you can select all attendees by checking the box at the top of the list at the same time. Now, after selecting the attendees you wish to contact, look for the email button, which is usually located above the list of attendees. Click on this button to open the email composition window. In the email composition window, enter the subject of your email. Write your message in the provided text area. Be clear and concise in your communication. If available, which is optional, you can use the preview option to review how your email will appear to recipients before sending it. Once you're satisfied with your email content, click on the Send button to email the selected attendees. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your email has been successfully sent. After sending, you can check if the email was successfully sent by looking for any notifications or by checking the sent folder in your email account if integrated with Eventbrite. Ensure that your email complies with Eventbrite's policies and best practices for attendee communication. Consider sending a test email to yourself first to ensure formatting and content are correct. And use the email feature responsibly, as attendees appreciate relevant and timely communication regarding the event. By following these steps, you can successfully email attendees on the Eventbrite web app. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the step, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.